Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you why your printer is showing or printing instead of printing color, it prints black and white. So I'm going to try to print this. Let me go here. Okay, the first thing to do is to get full color. This one we're going to download this image, download it. After downloading, we're going to go and try to go to the downloads, and we open the picture. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to print it out. Say print. Okay, we select that machine, we say okay. Look, even if someone can say, what about setup? Even if you go to this printer's properties, page setup, all of that, you can see go to image, you can select both, whatever, leave that alone, job, medium, whatever, image quality, you can see whatever, standard, color, even if it's in color, we're gonna put it in color. You can see, let's go whatever, okay. Okay, even if we put it there, black and white overprint, we say off, profile M, whatever, use ASA, whatever, it's okay. Then advanced, you can see that is fine, color auto, okay, solid color. Then we're gonna say print. Okay, after printing, the machine gonna show you. Gonna see the machine. It's gonna come here. Boom, to the machine. This is the machine. It's a Ricoh. You can see. You're gonna see what it's gonna print. It takes time, but it's gonna print. Oh. All the things you saw, look, it prints only black and white. Okay, let's go. So guys, I'm going to print out the same thing on a different machine. You see the difference, and I'll explain to you why. Let me see which. Okay, no, it's not that one. No, it's not this one. This one gonna take our time. We're gonna come here. It's the machine. This is what we're looking for. Remember, now we were on the laptop here. Now we're gonna go here. I'll show you the difference and why. Okay, I'm gonna print this using the same machine. Printing, where is the printing option? Please give me the printing option. Let me right click. Okay, print, yes. Okay, you can see I'm not going to change anything. I'm only gonna change the machine, and you go to that Ricoh we're looking for. Yeah, this is the Ricoh, the SP. Okay, after selecting that machine, say okay. Wow, it's taking time. Okay, it's selected. Let's see. Let me see print. Let's see. You know, it's still selecting that one. Select that machine. Yes. Print. Okay. Printing. Let's wait if we can hear it. Yes, guys. Gonna see. Just give it time. Good. You're gonna see now. You can see we have full beautiful color. You can see 100%, and this was not done. You can see, yeah. Now I'm gonna explain why. Okay, before on the I was printing that on Linux. You can see Linux Ubuntu. So this is Linux, you can see, and this is what Windows. So the issue here, you might be having one computer, you might not be like me. The issue here could be the difference in drivers. So Ubuntu gets its own drivers, and also remember on Ubuntu, as I said, it was printing color also. But time came maybe when it updated and all that, it lost that. Whatever settings I do, I'll never get color on that machine. So what I'm suggesting, if you have the similar issue, what you're going to do, you're going to uninstall that machine and reinstall it. So when you do that, it will give it a different drivers. Uninstall the machine, uninstall the drivers, or if you have a different computer, install it on a different machine. That you might get your color in. Also check your cartridges if they are still in. Sometimes the cartridges are full but the machine is not reading them. I don't know, something like that. Check all the colors which are there, but mine are there. I experienced this problem and say, let me share with you, maybe you have the same issue. But in most cases, in my case, it was the driver's issue. That's why on Windows it prints, and on Linux it prints black and white. On Windows it prints all the colors. You get me? So in Windows I don't even have to set up anything. That's the difference now. So on Linux I have to do so. Let me select my stuff here. Yeah, check your cartridges. Make sure everything is fine. I'm gonna print all of these. Make sure that everything is fine. I'm gonna separate them. Yeah, well guys, that's it. Yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment box below. See you in the next video.